Hello, this is Take a Shop. Today, we will clean the dirty chassis of an SL-1200MK1 as thoroughly as possible using neutral detergent, water, a melamine sponge, a microfiber towel, and cotton swabs. If your favorite turntable has become dirty and it's been bothering you, let's clean it up with this method and bring it back to a comfortable, pleasant condition. First, disassemble the turntable. If you want to clean every corner thoroughly, disassembly is necessary. However, if a general cleaning is enough for you, you can skip disassembly and proceed directly with the cleaning. After disassembly, dilute a neutral detergent in water to a concentration of about 1 to 2% and spray it over the entire surface. Then rub off the dirt with a microfiber towel. Repeat this process several times. After repeating this a few times, some dirt may still remain and cannot be removed. In that case, use a melamine sponge to clean those areas. Please note that a melamine sponge removes a small amount of the painted surface, so overuse will cause the original texture to be lost. However, if you want to remove the stains completely, this becomes a trade-off, so proceed carefully while checking the condition. The cleaning is now finished. Cleaning complete. Shop, we mainly post videos about maintenance and repair of Technics vintage turntables. We also sell serviced products and repair parts on eBay and Shopify, so please feel free to check out our store. Thank you for watching.